FAIRMATE, an Indian multinational company, is one of India's top manufacturers of construction chemicals, providing cost-effective solutions and world-class services to customers across the globe. FAIRMATE introduces FAIRMATE Smooth Pumping Aid, L. It is a ready-to-use compound in powder form, easily soluble in water, and is available in pre-measured plastic pack. It consists of high-performance ingredient which is very effectively used for priming of all types of concrete pumps instead of using the conventional slurry made of cement, sand and water. FAIRMATE Smooth Pumping Aid, L, is used as a most effective priming compound and as a pumping aid for concrete pump. Advantages of FAIRMATE Smooth Pumping Aid, L. Reduces the friction in pipeline. Does not affect in concrete. No stop or block in the pipeline. It is a cheaper time saver. It is the modern product specially designed for the ease of priming of concrete pump boom pressure application. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.